Let's start. So, as you know that it is our mathematics class. And today's topic is all the topic today's basis on counting, okay? Today we will do various type of counting. How can we count various things? Okay, I would like to request all of you that please mute your calls, okay? Then you can hear me properly. All of you mute your calls, mute your phones. Then you will be hear me better. Okay. Now, I'm drawing on the board first. Flowers and leaves. Now can you tell me how many objects are here? Count it. Total objects are here. Yes, Nandini? I have got your answer. Yes, lots of answers I have got. Very good. So here is 4 objects are here. 2 flowers and 2 leaves. So total 4. Very good. Now I am drawing here. How many balls are here? Yes, very good. 5 balls are here. Now, how many balls are here? Yes, Shugato. Thank you. You have given correct answer. Very good. Total. And Nandini, Shomrik, Afrin, Trishita, Anushka, Arjo, Orgo. Very good. Total here 10 balls are here. Very good. Now, my next question is, how many balls in each row? Can you tell me? In each row, how many balls are here? Yes, Shomrik, I have got your answer and correct answer. Shugato or yes, Orgo, now your answer is correct. Arjo, Inakshi, Nandini, Shushobon, very good. In each row, 5 balls are here. Very good. So here, first, let's come to the point, that is row. First term we have got row. So what do you mean by row? In each row means ek ekta row ete kotogulo. So first let me discuss about this row. R-O-W. Row. So that means row means like this. Whatever objects in arrange like this, that is called in row. Arrange in this row. Row means, can you tell me which line it is? Can you tell me? Come on, anyone? What is the name of this line? Yes, sleeping line, Arjo. And yes, Shomrik, I have got your correct answer. Very good. Thank you. And anyone? Shatoki also written. Very good. Yes, Orgo, it is straight line. Very good. And it's another name, Yes, Afreen. Thank you. It is very good. It is horizontal line. Very good. So horizontal line, if any objects are arranged in horizontally, like these balls are arranged in horizontally. Let's see. That is, this is also horizontally arranged, and this is also. If I am drawing here another row, that means again I am in arranged them in horizontally. So it is called in row. Row wise these balls are here. That means here total in each row 5 balls are here. Here is also 5, another 5, and again in this row also 5. So in this process we are called this way. This is in row, R-O-W. Okay. Now, Trishita, please disconnect your call and rejoin us. I hope your problem will be solved. Please do it. Now, come on, tell me that how many total balls are here? Total, how many balls are here? Can you tell me? Very good, Argo. Yes, 15 balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. So total here 15 balls. And in each row there are 5 balls are here. 5 balls are here. Okay. Now next. Again I am drawing some balls. Now can you tell me how many total balls are here? Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total we have here 12 balls are here. Now, if I am drawing these lines, can you tell me which line it is? What is the name of this line? Come on, come on. Yes, Argo. Thank you. Your answer is correct. Very good. Yes, Nandini, it is standing line. Very good. And it says another name. Shatogi, it is very good. You have given correct answer. Very nice. Yes, Shomrik. Yes, Shushobon. Very good. Yes, Inakshi has given 2 answers together. Very good. So it is called vertical line or it's called standing line, and we have called in it that is in column. These balls are arranged in column. Okay. So in each column, how many balls are here? In each column, yes, Shomrik, very good. In each column, here is 4 balls are here. 4 balls are here. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. So, in each column, we are calling column, and in previous lines, we have learned that is rows and it is called column. Now, in this way, we have learned row and column. These 2 terms we know today. So, if I am whatever box or table you have drawn, that time we will just draw like this. You know? So these are the columns and these are the row. Okay, so this is the row and it is called column. C-O-L-U-M-N. Okay. So if I am arranging some objects like this, in each row, how many balls are here? How many balloons are here in each row? Yes, three. Three. And column wise, how many balloons are here? No, I am not asking the total. One, two, three, four. Yes, Argho, Shugato, Ritika, Nandini, very good. Yes, I want this answer. So here in each column there are four balloons are here. Four balloons are here. And in each row, three balloons are here. Very good. So it's called column and these are the row. Okay. Now, take out your book, page number 49. Take out your book, page number 49. I would request to all of you, all the students, Shushobon, please take out your book and go to page number 49. Go to page number 49. Can you see? Here is also this counting. Yes. So first, one balloon and there is also one another balloon. So how many balloons are here? Very good. Two balloons are here. So you will write in your book, in the oval, just write down 2. First number first. There is one balloon and one another balloon. So total 2 balloons are here. So write down on the oval, just like this. You will write 2 in your book. Next. One Mickey Mouse and there is 2 balls. So how many total? Yes, lots of correct answers here. And 2 balls. So 1 and 2 balls. So total 3. You will write in the oval. Okay. So 2, 1 and 2. So 1, 2, 3. Total 3 is there. Next. Number 3. 2 pineapples and 2 oranges. So how many total? Yes, very good. 4. 2 pineapples, 1, 2, and there are 2 oranges. So total 4. You will write down in the oval. Very good. Next. Wow, 2 tortoises and 3 rabbits. How many? Very good. 5. 2 tortoises and 3 rabbits. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will just count them together. You will just count them together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count them together. So here is total objects. That means 5. You will just write down in the oval. And last one, there are so many flowers, red flowers and yellow flowers also. So how many? 3 red flowers and 3 yellow flowers also. So count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So write down 6 in the oval. So 6 flowers are there. Red and yellow. Okay, students? Now your now students, your attendance is going on. Those who have joined this class, please write down yes. Okay, in through the chat box. That then I will taking your attendance. অঙ্কিতা দাস, অর্ঘ, অরিজিৎ, আর্য, আয়ুষ্মান। Yes, Arus is also present. Okay, students. So this is our today's class, and next day we will do again this type of countings, and your homework already I have given for your homework, that is page number 38. I hope you have done this. Next day we will discuss again. You will do page number 39. That is your homework. You will do. I will discuss this page. 38 and 39 page we will discuss next day. So today's class, it is your today's class. Next day we will meet again. Till then, stay safe and good. Goodbye. Goodbye, Shomrik, Nandini. Yes, and all of you. Goodbye, Tata.